Imagine carrying a ladder from inside the stadium at the 50-yard line all the way out here to the prop staging area. I had no idea what that was like until 2 weeks ago when I had to do it with an 8-foot ladder. This one's 6 feet. Imagine one that's 2 feet longer. This one weighs 19 pounds. The one I was carrying, 25 pounds. And it was a lightweight one like this. This is a 4-pound version, so double the size of that. And it had these nice little grooves in there, and it's fairly lightweight. This one's about 14 pounds. But when you got something that's, say that's the middle of the ladder right here, and you're wielding something around like this, that distance, crazy. So I had to come up with a better way of transporting that ladder from the prop staging area out to where the band was playing and competing. So I came up with this new system. And the thing is, for most people, the solution may be a lot closer than you think. An old computer, bag, or briefcase. So let's get into the details and I'll show you how I overcame this design challenge and how it might help you and everybody else that wants to carry a ladder a little longer than a couple yards. Hands-free. Whether it's a wooden ladder or a fiberglass high-tech ladder, both have advantages and disadvantages when it comes to carrying. First of all, you may be able to see these ridges. It gives you a nice solid grip. The only problem is that after a while there's not a lot of protection here, so that's digging into your hand for long distances. Carrying it like this, put it on your hip, 25 pounds, digging in your hands, not so good. So a bonus feature for those that are watching this video, just take a pool noodle. This one I like because it's got the sides to it. Cut it down the center, make it about as big as your hand, maybe 5-6 inches. Put that guy in here. Slide it in here like this, and you can put it around like that. And that makes a lot handier, easier, comfortable way of carrying it. I can even open my hands up. I don't even have to grip the ladder as much, and I can maneuver it and be very comfortable. But it's still 25 pounds. By the way, this also works on here and gives you that same comfortable grip when you're carrying a ladder long distance. Here's 3 different designs, from a very basic to a kind of a luxurious shoulder strap for briefcases or computer bags. There's a couple key features here that you want to be aware of. It's nice to have a hook like this because it just hooks naturally in place. Like that, works great. And then what I do is I come around and do the opposite side some distance down. On the longer ladder, there was a lot more steps to contend with, and I could just actually clip into anything. This is not so good from a shoulder perspective, not real comfortable for long distances, or even short distances. Here's a little better one, and this actually has a shoulder strap that moves around, and an adjustable strap at that. So this is really good, because you can make it as long as you want, rest it on the hip or whatever you want to put it, and adjust it and customize it to your preference. And it will work out great. But this is the best. Now I know it's a fixed strap, but you can make adjustments on both sides, and this clip is really nice and flat, so when you clip it in there, it really stays in place. And the other great thing is it pivots, all of them do. So that's a definite plus. See how I got the strap up? I want that shoulder strap like this, flip it around, and it's good to carry. Now what if you got a wooden ladder and you don't have those nice little edges to tie into? Here's a simple solution for that. 36 inches of paracord. It's got an adjustable knot on there, and make it shorter or longer. Put it on either side of a step, center it like that. Bring it around here, like this. For some reason, if you don't want it that long, you just shorten it up, adjust it to here, clip it in on one side, adjust this one. You know, it doesn't even have to be the same distance. Fold it through like that. Clip it on this side, and you're carrying along. Easy. And if for some reason this distance isn't right, then you can just shorten this up or tighten it up, whatever you want. On either side, that's the great thing about this strap here. If for some reason you don't have a computer bag, I'll post down below where you can get one of these straps that will work for you. And paracord. But a lot of these things can be found locally. Now where you put this on your hip to leg is totally personal preference. I like to put it across the chest like this and have it right here. Here's my waist. Right there, mid-thigh maybe. And you can see I can do other things. And actually, last night when I was carrying the 8-foot ladder, I was actually pushing a stand. So I was doing multitasking. I mean, look at this thing. You totally have control, and you're carrying this with no hands. Really like how this turned out. You can do this, and it's so much easier than carrying it along any further than that next series of lines in the parking lot. Quick adjustment, just brought it up an inch or so up on my hip. I found that if you get it on your waist, it's really uncomfortable, but down here, here's my knee, here's my waist, maybe 5-6 inches from your waistline, it's just real comfortable and easy to move and maneuver. And you have complete control, whether this is a 4-foot ladder, 6-foot ladder, 8-foot ladder, 10-foot ladder. It really works for all those different kinds of ladders, whether it's wood, fiberglass, or aluminum. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you like designs of all kinds, home repairs, I do development of sports gear and photography equipment. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna see.